How's it going, Dolphins fan? I cannot stop filming these episodes. I mean, I'm having way too much fun with this franchise so far, especially being 3-0. If I was losing every single game, I probably wouldn't be having as much fun, but I am having one hell of a time right now. I'm actually in the middle of uploading another one right now. So, today we have to play all defense, which I'm actually scared about. You never know with me what's going to happen. I think we are actually the best team so far in the AFC. We got to be. In the NFL, we're kind of tied with the Ravens and the Titans. Ravens are number 3, we're number 1. And Titans are number 4. I don't know why it's like that. I do not know why it's like that. There we go. Chiefs 2-1. Let's see some surprising teams. So the Bills are 1-2. They're not off to a good start. The Colts are 1-2. About to play them. The Jets are 1-2. Not really surprising. Steelers, after beating the Bills, have lost 2 straight now. The Jags 1-2. Would have thought they would have started better. Texans 1-2. Not too surprising. Obviously, just beat the Raiders. But a lot of the AFC, being 2-1, we're all ready to compete this year. We're all competing. Let's see. So we're gonna go to the press conference for the quarterback 1 check-in. Coach, your team has played really well in the early part of the season and is off to a hot start. How much of that is because of Tua Tagovailoa? Let's praise Tua. Let's give Tua some praise. Oh my God, 300 passing yards. I don't know if that's gonna happen if I'm not playing on offense. Oh man, we're gonna have some heavy rain. Oof. Well, we're gonna pass the ball. 300 passing yards is what we want here. Sally, I won't be able to help out with it. I will be playing all defensive snaps, and once again, I'm gonna go with the white throwbacks, or I can't. Let's go with the white throwbacks. Make them wear their home jerseys. Make them wear their blue in Miami. Let's wear our full white uniforms. I wish they would do the end zones as well when we play with the throwbacks. Everyone loves the throwbacks. I don't think there's anyone out there that's a hater on the throwbacks. But we're gonna have a rainy game. Might be an advantage for us playing all defensive snaps. Ndamukong Suh looks so sick in the throwbacks, in the white throwbacks. They got Jonathan Taylor. Obviously, we gotta be ready to stop that. First play. Let's go. No rushing. They embarrassed us last year. I don't know about y'all, but that was embarrassing. Whenever we lost to the Colts last year with Carson Wentz. It was honestly Jonathan Taylor. That was before Jonathan Taylor really was breaking out. This is what it's like recording in a house full of people. You get yelled out to do something, all of a sudden, nobody honestly cares that you're recording videos. So we let up a big pass there. 14 yards. After stopping the run. Gotta get better. Man, Byron Jones, play up on your man. Man, I really hope not getting called out to go do stuff really threw me off my game. Don't need that. We got a 3-0 record to hold. Oh my God. Matt Ryan's 3 of 3 for 44 yards so far. They got to be running the ball now, right? They just got to be. Yes, sir. We were ready for it. But honestly, I bring the blitz every single play. So we're most of the time we're gonna be ready for it. Oh my god. What'd I tell y'all? Defense isn't crazy. Oh Lord. They're gonna be pads. Or they're gonna be rushing it. Thank God he didn't run straight through that hole, or else I think he would have been gone. Yep, there he goes. Oh my God, Jonathan Taylor's exposing us again. 14-0. Man, what is our offense doing? Jonathan Taylor already basically 100 yards in the first quarter. I mean, how sad is that? Oh my God, someone should have been there for the pick. That would have been so easy. That would have been so easy for us. It's really not a better side to play here. Oh my God, someone stop him. Come on. Naheem Hines. 9 more yards. We can't stop it. Right now we are not stopping the run at all. T.Y. Hilton. Man, the Colts, as much as you can see their record here so far, I don't think that actually shows what they're going to be this coming season. Xavien Howard, come on now, let's go. First one of the year for X. Xavien Howard with his first interception on the year, baby. Had to do it at home. Emmanuel Ogbah almost got up there and smacked it. Don't test X, Matt Ryan. Don't test him. More opportunities for the run game now. Yep. We knew it, and we still can't stop it. Oh, my Lord. Jonathan Taylor's nuts. If he ever hit free agency, which the Colts would never let that happen. The Colts are guys that are going to keep their guys in-house. This is a really bad defensive showing. They keep running the ball all over us. Oh my God! Oh my God, only if he landed his feet. Only 50 yards so far for our offense. I'm just trying to strip it out at this point. Trying to make a play as a defense. Let's hold him here. Stop the bleeding. Yep. Oh my. Why didn't I stop that? Why did I not bring Jerome? JB, I should have done that. I was no idea what I did there. Jonathan Taylor scores again. We're going to need to have a serious switch in defense. This is nuts. I thought we would walk straight through these boys. I honestly don't see a way how we can stop these guys. I mean, once we're down 21-0 and that I have no control over the offense right now, I mean, just put it together. It sucks when I have no control over the offense. And I can't. Which makes this series so interesting. Is that, and trust me, it's not going to be that way. When it comes to playoff time, if I do make the playoffs, then I will be playing full games during the playoffs. Don't you worry about that. I gotta stop going for strips, but I'm trying to, just because I'm trying to make a play. Trying to make a play. Maybe I can take one back. Score here. Just trying to find a way to score. Let's go, baby. Sadly, that won't count as a sack. Oh my god, let's go, baby. Oh my god. 3 points, really, offense? That's all you got? That's all you got for us? Well, at least we stopped them. 21-3 at half. Offense has to do something. We're going to run inside, and we're definitely going to defend the outside run. Has to happen. Sorry. They try to get me to play on offense. That's how you know we need it. The game is trying to get you to return the kicks. Let's go, Byron. We are locking up on the outside. Whenever they're trying to go long, we're all over that. We really have no problem with that. Well, let's go, man. Lockdown. Lockdown on them. Let's go, baby. Byron Jones is standing like he even been in the weight room. I mean, if it's going to let me return, I'm going to return it. Let's go, baby. 46-yard line. We got to score. Score another field goal. All right. If that's how it's going to be, then that's how it has to be. We are so lucky. We are absolutely so lucky. Oh my god. Michael Pittman. Oh my god. Dude, why are my guys not making the tackles? I'm literally there. I'm there every time. And they're just diving out of bounds at this point. We have to hold them to a field goal, I feel, at this point. We cannot let them get in here. Run up. Thank you. Thank you, Ruben. Someone making a play. Raekwon and Ndamukong. Let's go, baby. Raekwon Davis, Christian Wilkins. Keeping them back. Keeping them back, baby. That's all we need. That's all we need. If our offense can score touchdowns and we can hold them to field goals, we should be all right. Offense couldn't score. That's honestly going to be game. That's honestly going to be game. We can't do anything with that. We can stop them here, but I mean, the offense would have to score again, and then we need to stop. It doesn't seem possible. Finally, we're locking down on defense, but they're not trying as hard to make the big play. Here's the thing, I was there too. I was there. I didn't get tricked that time. That's what hurts the most. Dang, that clock's just going to keep going down. Oh, this one stings. Especially that we lost to them last year. Now we gotta lose to them again at home. Oh, I was literally about to throw my controller across the room if he would have broke out again. I'm honestly, I don't think I should call timeouts. Just end this game at this point. There's nothing we can do. If our offense can score, go ahead and score. We'll try to make another stop. No promises. X gonna give it. Oh my God, X just got mussed. Oh my God. X almost just had his third interception of the game. And that's honestly going to be it. I know they're just going to kneel the ball anyways. That's going to be it. 70% completion, no touchdowns for Tua. One interception. Not a good day for the offense. Tyreek Hill had 95 yards still in a terrible game. Honestly, we 0 sacks, 2 interceptions. That's going to give it to you no matter what it is. Man, that is a forgettable game right there. That's sad. That is honestly very sad. Lynn Bowden and Trent Sherfield got upgrades there. We got to bounce back next week against Tampa Bay. I mean, seriously, we do. That's going to be it for this episode, number 5. This is honestly a forgettable episode. I hope not too many people see this one. We got destroyed. I mean, destroyed. Never want to see that happen again, honestly. We probably needed that butt whooping on offense to really get the juices flowing. But that's going to be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video with everyone. Get this series pumping. Let's get to 150 subscribers, baby. Let's go, baby. I'll see you guys in the next one. Go Dolphins and fins up.